Now that I got that one there running, I mean working and serviced and everything, it wasn't much to do. We got this one, this little 20-inch, and I hate these 125 cc's. They always have carburetor problems. Yeah, and they're more prone to them. So I already power washed this, and now if I get this running, I'm gonna have to fix the deck, so basically bending it so the wheels are straight. But first step is gonna be getting this to run. It is full of oil. It needs to be changed, but it's got oil in it. The air filter. I think I'm going to have to replace this one. It's already falling apart. I have another one, so this would be an okay one to use as a temporary. Not something I would want to sell on to somebody. But so now we gotta make sure this thing's gonna run. Gonna take some of this carb spray and just spray it into it here and see if this thing will run. So it will run. Carburetor's clogged. There's water in the fuel because it does have something in there that looks like a fuel. So you know the routine. Clean the carb.
My drill that heavy.
This one's missing a bolt. It's missing that one. I gotta have to go find one like this. Oh, and that wasn't on there too tight either. So that could be a issue. Go now, pull the carb off. Note, the O-ring stayed there, which is not a good thing. Take the carb off. We gotta take these off now. This could be the reason why I wouldn't start. And before we forget, put this back in. O-ring first. Then retaining clip, like that. If you do it the other way, it won't run. So we're gonna take this apart and clean it. Got carburetor off. I've brushed it off and washed it a little bit with some brake clean. No, it's 9/32 here. Then this one looks like it's been off before. See, I can easily get this. Yeah, there's water in it. So that's probably what happened. So you see all the discoloration. That's probably gonna be water. So let's go ahead and, this means I gotta clean that gas tank too. So we take our pin, the float, just rinse it off and put it down in the there. It looks, I don't see any corrosion. Let's the main jet is it's a little bit smaller than it should be, so there. So first I've seen right there is supposed to be a jet. It's supposed to be a jet right there. You know, this may be a candidate for me just replace this whole thing. Maybe I can clean it out later. This is a old, from an old carb that was messed up. But I got one of these in it. This that part's clear. I don't know about that part. So let's take a wire and see if we can yeah, it's a little bigger now. Okay, this one's clean now. We're just gonna put this one into the carburetor from this donor carburetor and clean out in here. Like, goes in like that, and then we just push it down in. And reassemble. So stick the needle back on, hold it like this so gravity holds it in place. Stick the slide pin in like so, and now let's go ahead and reassemble slap it in. I rinse it off a little bit because there's usually some junk on it. Now put this back together. Only goes one way. This indent goes where that is. So like this. We clean out a little bit more because it's got some gunk in it. But now put it back together. Let's stick this back in. So we got to put the linkage on. That's for the throttle. And like that. Okay, now we gotta put the airbags back on, which needs some major. Now it needs some cleaning. Putting the airbags back on. So come on, there we go. And now I need to get myself another one of these screws, these bolts, because I'm missing it. Missing one. Fuel and brake. Well, I'll be. That's a first. Little nubbin there for the fuel line's broken off, so it means I gotta go get another another carburetor, or just a used one that I can put in. I've got this other carburetor on now. This is one that it had problems with another machine, and I had to change it, so hopefully it works for this one. This on. There. There we go. Make sure this is all in there. We'll just stick the top on, stick some gas in it, and hope it works. However, what we've done with this, we've power washed it. We've cleaned the carburetor, but then discovered that the carburetor, its jet was bad. So, but then I discovered that the whole inlet's messed up. So this whole carburetor's, well, except for the individual parts are all messed up. This whole carburetor is pretty much trash now. Most of it, you can use some of the parts. That's the first time I've ever seen that happen. But now we got the fuel box, this air box back in. It was missing one of the bolts. I found a bolt. It's not an 11/32, it's a 1/4 inch, but it's the same thread. So I put that in and filled it up with gas. No leaks. Let's go see if this thing will run. Now all I gotta do is change the oil, sharpen the blade, and fix the wheels so they don't do a bend like that. These wheels are bent in, so in order to fix that, I gotta take each of the wheels off and then bend the deck and then put it back in. Evo decks they give you 3 heights. This one's in the middle, so I gotta basically, you can see it's bent, so I gotta bend it. Basically what I'm doing here is I put the bolt back in with the nut on the back end, and I'm just taking this is a 3-pound hammer, and I'm just taking it and kind of banging it until it's straight, then take it off and then put it back on. They're still a little bit floppy, but better than they were. So getting a new air filter. which how you service these is, yeah, you dip it in some oil. Try to do that. Oil attracts the dirt, and then put it in. Put this down before I sell it, but I gotta go use it here. Go to my yard before it rains. Using this mower to mow my yard. It did mow it. However, towards the end, it started surging. Upon further investigation, I went ahead and opened up the carburetor, and I changed the main jet cartridge to one of these other ones that I have. It's used, but it was clean, so maybe that was the problem. Don't know. I also changed the fuel line. The fuel line had a small hole in it. That could have been a contributing factor as well. Maybe I hit a bush or something and it pushed a hole into the line or something. I don't know. But this one seems to be good now. I'll clean this up a little bit more, but you'll be it. Later, tubes.